Students, we are handling the chapter Mathematics 1A Trigonometry. Trigonometry exercise 6D is going on. In exercise 6D, Roman number 1, 5 sums completed yesterday. Let us going to discuss about some 6th sum onwards. Roman number 1, 6th question. If a less than or equal to cos theta plus 3 root 2 sin of theta plus pi by 4 sin of theta plus pi by 4 plus 6 less than or equal to b, then find the largest value of a, largest value of a and the smallest value of b. Largest value of a and smallest value of b. It is nothing but the minimum and maximum values of the given function. It is nothing but the range of the a cos theta plus b sin theta model given a less than or equal to cos theta plus 3 root 2 into, this is of the form sin of a plus b. So use the formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So sin theta cos pi by 4 plus cos theta sin pi by 4. Use the formula. Sin theta cos pi by 4 plus cos theta sin pi by 4 plus 6 less than or equal to b. That implies a less than or equal to cos theta plus 3 root 2 into here sin theta into cos pi by 4 value cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2 plus cos theta into sin 45 value 1 by root 2 plus 6 less than or equal to b. That implies a less than or equal to cos theta plus multiply with this root 2, root and root 2 get cancelled, here also root and root 2 get cancelled. So this is 3 sin theta plus this is 3 cos theta plus 6 less than or equal to b. That implies a less than or equal to cos theta plus 3 cos theta becomes 4 cos theta plus 3 sin theta plus 6 less than or equal to b. The range are extreme values of the function a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c. I said before exercise 6b concept we discussed that range of a cos theta plus b sin theta plus c is c minus root of a square plus b square and c plus root of a square plus b square. So right here c minus root of a square plus b square comma c plus root of a square plus b square. So that implies a less than or equal to here c meaning 6 minus root of 4 square plus 3 square 4 square plus 3 square comma 6 plus root of 4 square plus 3 square less than or equal to b. That implies here a less than or equal to 6 minus this is 16 plus 9 5 6 minus 25 root 5 6 minus 5 becomes 6 minus 5 becomes 1 and here 11 less than or equal to b. Therefore the largest value of a largest value of a is asking largest means a next value. Largest value of a is equal to 1 and the smallest value of b is equal to 11. That's all. This is the question. Now next question, 7th question. before going to discuss the seventh question, let us discuss about the periodic function. If f of x plus p, already I said before, graphs concept in exercise 6b. So if f of x plus p is equal to f of x, then f of x is said to be a periodic function. F of x is said to be a periodic function. Periodic function. And p is a period of it. And p is period of it, where p is least positive integer. Where p is least positive integer. Least positive integer. Example we said about the trigonometry, cos x, sin x, secant x, cosecant x are having period 2 pi. You can revise the concept of exercise 6b. And for tan x and for cos x, we said the period is pi. Now find the periods of the following functions. Seventh question, find the periods of the following functions. Find the periods of the following functions. First one, cos power 4x. Cos power 4x. Here we can apply f of pi plus x. We know that cos 2 pi plus x is equal to cos x. 2 pi meaning is 360 degrees. 360 is nothing but 0. So cos of 0 plus x is equal to cos x. 2 pi is period, already we have discussed. If we substitute here pi, why should we substitute pi, sir? Least positive integer I said. Pi is less than 2 pi. Even though cos x period is 2 pi, here power 4x is there. That is why you can write f of pi plus x becomes cos power 4 of pi plus x. That is equal to cos 180 plus theta becomes minus cos theta. Even though it is minus 1 whole power 4 becomes plus, you will get the answer as plus. So cos power 4. So whatever the function you have taken, you have substituted f of p plus x is equal to the function you got. Of course, here f of 3 pi plus x, f of 5 pi plus x, f of 7 pi plus x, f of 10 pi plus x, like that any number you can substitute. Whatever the least number you are substituting, that indicates the period here. Therefore, period is equal to simply pi. Period is equal to pi. This is 7th one, first question. In second question now, 2 sin pi x by 4 plus 3 cos pi x by 3. 2 sin pi x by 4. 2 sin pi x by 4 plus 3 cos pi x by 3. Like these functions, we should calculate period of sin x here. Period of sin theta I am writing 2 pi, and period of cos theta also. Period of cos theta also 2 pi, and general period. Period formula, general period is called as p by modulus of a. Here p meaning 2 pi or pi anything. Mod a means the coefficient of x here, theta. So indicate like this, like this one I am putting arrow mark. So 2 pi by p by a concept, 2 pi by 4 here you should write. In the similar way, the concept x coefficient pi by 3 here. So coefficient of period of sin theta is 2 pi, period of cos theta is 2 pi. P by mod a concept you should write here 2 pi by 4, here 2 pi by 3. So pi get cancelled, pi get cancelled here. Periods, you can write separate periods. Periods is equal to 2 4s are 8 and 2 3s are 6, 8 comma 6. So required period, the concept is that take LCM. Required period of common function or combined function is equal to LCM of 8 comma 6. I think you know that how to calculate the LCM here 2, here 3, here 4 like this. Here 2, this is 1, this is 2, like this. Here 2 and 1 comma 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 3s are 2 4s are not 1 here. Whenever it is not dividing, simply you should write 3. Here 2, you should write 3 and 1, and 3 here 1 comma 1. So 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is equal to 24 is the period of the function. Now sin square x plus 2 cos square x. Sin square x plus 2 cos square x. Third question, period of sin square x plus 2 cos square x. Let us remember the formula. Cos 2x is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square x. In terms of sin, here cos 2x is 2 cos square x minus 1 in terms of cos. Using this one, you can write here sin square meaning 1 minus cos 2x whole by 2. This cos 2x taken this way like this, plenty of times you can write it. Plus this 2 cos square x, you can write 1 plus cos 2x whole by 1. Take LCM here, 1 minus cos 2x, here 2 into is here. Okay, 2 cos square x meaning 1 plus cos 1 plus cos, okay, 1 correct. 1 minus cos 2x plus take LCM here, 2 plus 2 cos 2x. 2 plus 2 cos 2x whole by 2. So right now cos 2 cos 2x minus cos 2x gives cos 2x. Cos 2x plus 3 whole by 2. Now you can take common as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into cos 2x plus 3. For such functions, period is no need for constant function. Here you can write period of cos 2x. Period of cos theta formula 2 pi. Period of cos theta is 2 pi, and original period or general period formula p pi mod a. So take arrow mark here. That meaning cos 2 pi period 2 pi by 2, that is equal to pi. No need to calculate about the constant. So pi is the period of the given sum. Now next one, 2 sin pi by 4 plus x into cos x. Fourth one, 2 sin of pi by 4 plus x into cos x. 2 sin of pi by 4 plus x into cos x. That is equal to 2 into, write the formula sin of pi by 4 plus x in the form of sin a plus b. Expand sin a plus b formula as sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. So sin a pi by 4 cos x plus cos pi by 4 sin x. Sin pi by 4 cos x plus cos pi by 4 sin x into cos x. That is equal to 2 into here cos x into sin 45 value 1 by root 2 plus sin x into cos 45 value 1 by root into cos x. Here root 2 will be getting cancelled. Root 2 into cos x period is awesome. Cos x into cos x, cos square x plus sin x cos x. Cos square x plus sin x cos x. That is equal to root 2 into cos square x formula. According to this one, you can write 1 plus cos 2x whole by 2. 1 plus cos 2x whole by 2 plus here multiply with divide 2, it becomes 2 sin x cos x whole by 2. That is equal to root 2 taken common, by 2 you can write here 1 plus cos 2x plus sin 2x. We know that period of sin theta and cos theta are 2 pi. Then taking arrow mark the formula p by mod a concept 2 pi by 2, and 2 means here coef of x, here 2 pi by 2. So 2 get cancelled. LCM you should take here of pi comma pi, both is only pi. LCM of pi comma pi, that is equal to pi. Therefore period period is equal to pi. That's all. Exercise 60. Yeah, period is equal to pi, 24, everything is okay. Next one, fifth question. Find sin x plus 3 cos x. In this seventh question, first Roman, seventh one, fifth question is. In seventh one, fifth question. Find the period of the function 5 sin x plus 3 cos x by 4 sin 2x plus 5 cos x. 5 sin x plus 4 cos x. 5 sin x plus 4 cos x, not 4 cos x, 3 cos x. 5 sin x plus 3 cos x by 4 sin 2x plus 5 cos x. 4 sin 2x plus 5 cos x. Now directly you can write for numerator and denominator also. Separate, you should write period of sin 5 sin x. It is nothing but 2 pi. Sin x period 2 pi. You should understand that p by mod a becomes, depends upon coef of x only, not coef of sin x. So simply x coef 1. So 2 pi by 1. No need to write 2 pi by 1. Simply 2 pi. In the term, in the similar way, period of 3 cos x, it is also 2 pi. Next, period of 4 sin 2x. 4 sin 2x, here sin x coefficient is 2. So write here 2 pi by pi. No, 2 pi by 2 because sin 2x is there. Next one, period of cos x. Period of cos x equal to 2 pi. So 2 pi terms are there and only 1 pi is there. Of course, LCM is large number. So LCM of pi comma, like this you should write. LCM of 2 pi comma 2 pi comma pi comma 2 pi is equal to 2 pi. You can understand as pi means 180 degrees and 2 pi means 360 degrees. 360 is the large number than 180 degrees. That is why you should write large number is LCM. It is only 2 pi. Now, Roman number 1 sums we have completed. Let us going to discuss about the Roman number 2 sums. Exercise 6D, Roman number 2 sums. If 0 less than a less than pi by 4, if 0 less than a less than pi by 4, comma, sin, not sin, cos a is equal to 4 by 5. Find sin 2a and cos 2a. Cos a is equal to 4 by 5. Find sin 2a comma cos 2a. Find sin 2a comma cos 2a. Given 0 less than a less than pi by 4, multiply with 2. So 0 less than 2a less than pi by 2. 0 less than 2a less than pi by 2. And cos a is equal to 4 by 5. Put right angle triangle, cos meaning adjacent side by hypotenuse, this becomes d. Using this diagram, we can say sin a is equal to opposite by hypotenuse, it is 3 by 5. Now sin 2a is equal to formula 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a cos a. So 2 into here 3 by 5 into 4 by 5. 2 3s are 6, 6 into 24, 24. So this is 24 by 25. Next, cos 2a. Using the submultiple and multiple angles formula, cos 2a you can write as 2 cos square a minus 1. 2 into cos square a meaning 4 by 5 whole square minus 1. So 2 into this is 16 by 25 minus 1. That is equal to 32 by 25 minus 1 by 1. Take an LCM. It becomes 32 minus 25 by 25. That is equal to 7 by 25. 7 by 25. Now, Roman number 2. This is the first question. Now, Roman number 2. In Roman number 2, general number 1, first question completed. Roman number 2, general number 1, second question. For what values of A? For what values of A? For what values of A in the first quadrant? For what values of A in the first quadrant, the expression cot cube A minus 3 cot A by 3 cot square A minus 1 is positive. 3 cot square A minus 1 is positive. Students, this is the formula of cot 3A. So cot 3A is positive. Right here we know that cot 3A is equal to cot cube A minus 3 cot A whole by 3 cot square A minus 1. Cot cube A minus 3 cot A by 3 cot square A minus 1. So cot 3A is positive. Cot 3A should be positive. In first quadrant and in third quadrant is positive. Cot theta belongs to positive in cot theta is positive. In Q1 comma Q3, that implies case here 0 less than 3A less than pi by 2. Pi by 2 meaning first quadrant. Or you can write 180 less than. So pi less than 3A, here we call 3A less than 3 pi by 2 means 270. Between 180 and 270 this is positive, and between 0 and pi by 2, between 0 and 90 degrees also this is positive. So with A he is asking. So with divide with 3, 0 less than A less than pi by 6, and here divide here pi by 3 less than A less than simply pi by 2. So here in this case between 0 and pi by 6 and between pi by 3 comma pi by 2 A is positive. So A belongs to, like this you should write 0 comma pi by 6 union pi by 3 comma pi by 2. In that condition, cot theta, this value cot cube A minus 3 cot A by 3 cot square A minus 1 is positive. Now, another question, prove that. Third question. Third one. Prove that cos 3A plus sin 3A by cos A minus sin A. Prove that cos 3A plus sin 3A cos 3A plus sin 3A by cos A minus sin A is equal to 1 plus 2 sin 2A. Cos A minus sin A. Cos 3a plus sin 3a by cos a minus sin a is equal to 1 plus 2 sin 2a. Cos 3a plus sin 3a is there by cos a minus sin. If we multiply with cos a minus sin a, taking LHS, cos 3a plus sin 3a by cos a minus sin. If we take rationalization, then if you write cos a plus multiply and divide with cos a plus sin a, cos a plus sin a, multiply here cos 3a cos a like this. Cos 3a cos a plus cos 3a sin a, cos 3a sin a plus sin 3a cos a plus sin 3a sin a, sin 3a sin a whole by here a plus b into a minus b scheme, a square minus b square. So cos square a minus sin square. Here cos 3a cos a and sin 3a sin a side by side write. That is equal to cos 3a cos a plus sin 3a sin a within brackets plus sin 3a cos a plus cos 3a sin a, cos 3a sin a whole by cos square a minus sin square a, general formula cos 2a. Now this is of the form cos a cos b plus sin a sin b, so it is cos of a plus b. So cos 3a plus a plus this is sin a cos b plus cos a sin b concept. This is the sin of a plus b. So sin of 3a plus a. Take here cos 2a for here, cos 2a by cos 2a. So here you can write cos 4a by cos 2a plus this is sin 4a by cos 2a. No, leave it. Cos 4a sin 4 cos cube a plus 3 cos a. This method is not possible. So better to write 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a plus 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. It's okay. This is maybe object. Of course, this is also a proof. Leave it. Write this one cos 4a plus sin 4a by cos 2a. Simply leave it. So it is a question. Now we should do this question. In another method we should follow. Cos 3a plus LHS cos 3a plus sin 3a by cos a minus sin a. Write the formula of cos 3a, 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a plus the formula of sin 3a, 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a whole by cos a minus sin a. Cos a minus sin a. That is equal to 4 taken common here in this term and in this term. You can write cos cube a minus sin cube a. Now minus 3 you take common in between these two terms. Then you can write cos A minus sin A. That's all. Whole by cos A minus sin A. Let us write the formula A cube minus B cube is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square. That implies 4 into, that is equal to 4 into here. Write the formula cos cube A minus sin cube A as 4 into cos A minus sin A into cos square A plus here sin square A cos square A. Sin square A cos square A plus again this is sin square A minus 3 into cos A minus sin A whole by cos A minus sin A. Now in numerator you take common the letter cos A minus sin A. The term cos A minus sin A taken common. Now within the brackets you can understand this is cos square A plus sin square A becomes 1. So it is 4 into is here. 4 into 1 plus sin square A cos square A minus 3. It's okay. By cos A minus sin A. Cos A minus sin A, cos A minus sin A get cancelled. That is equal to, now multiply here 4 plus 4 sin square A cos square A. 4 plus 4 sin square A cos square A minus 3. 4 minus 3 becomes 1 plus 1 plus here 4 sin square A cos square A. 1 plus 4 sin square A cos square A can be written as 2 sin A cos A whole square. Here this is 2 sin A cos A whole square. That is equal to 1 plus 2 sin A cos A formula sin 2A, that is whole square. So you can write this one as 1 plus sin square 2A. 2 sin 2A is wrong. Sin square 2A. Maybe some may be pretty mistake. 1 plus 2 sin 2A is wrong. 1 plus, then you should get 4 sin A cos A, not square. Okay, students, here I made mistake. It is not square. It is not square. Simply sin A cos A. Square is not there. It is correct. So don't write 4 sin A cos A. Here from here onwards cut off. Simply 4 sin A cos A. 4 minus 3 becomes 1 plus 2 into this can be written as 2 sin A cos A. That is equal to 1 plus 2 into 2 sin A cos A, meaning sin 2A. 1 plus sin 2A is RHS. Okay, students, we have completed Roman number 2 first question. Let us go into discuss the same exercise in next class.